Ever wondered why we sneeze? In the next few seconds, you'll learn 10 crazy facts about sneezing. Fact 1. Did you know sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour? Imagine that speed. Fact 2. Your heart doesn't stop when you sneeze. That's just a myth. Fact 3. The world record for the longest sneezing spree is 976 days. Unbelievable, right? Fact 4. Sunshine can trigger sneezes in 1 out of 3 people. They call it a photic sneeze reflex. Fact 5. You can't sneeze while sleeping. Your sneezing nerves take a break. Fact 6. A sneeze ejects around 100,000 germs. Yes, it's that many. Fact 7. Holding in a sneeze can be harmful. It might damage your blood vessels. Found these facts interesting? Subscribe for more!